Does your floor look past its best? Are cracks and divots rattling your forklifts and stock to bits? Fortunately, the Restore Floor Repair Kit offers an easy and quick way to fix concrete and tarmac defects with minimal prep and disruption. This 3-part kit consists of a bonding agent, an activator, and hard-wearing quartz sand. When mixed together, these components form a robust, permanent floor repair compound. Installation is exceptionally easy. To get started, clear the area of any dust or loose debris. Any debris can negatively impact the performance of the Restore Floor Repair. Pour the bonding agent into a bucket and mix thoroughly with a drill stirrer. Once the bonding agent is completely mixed, add the quartz sand and the activator and continue mixing for a further 2 minutes. The mixture can now be poured onto the damaged area. Use a taping knife or spreader to create a smooth finish. Allow the repair to dry for at least 30 minutes before opening the area for traffic. The repair will fully harden after 24 hours. For cracks and failing joints, purchase the Restore Joints Repair Kit. If you have large potholes outside on public roads, then check out our range of Instamac and FireFix products on our website. Buy online today at startsafety.uk or by calling 01905 794 875. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video about our extensive range of safety equipment.